Well, if by success you mean your parenting troubles are over with, so yes. Yes, most afternoons, but who could blame him? I mean, the life as a celebrity is pretty rough. He can barely go through the village without being swarmed by his new fans. Who would have thought it, eh? He has his way with the beasts. Oh, not so fast. Ah, he's only 20, and a Viking. It can only be a worse combination. Ha! When I think about how sensitive and stubborn you were back in the day. Well, not much has changed, actually. Ah, nothing can hurt Hiccup as long as he has that Night Fury around. It's a Night Fury! You might want to take this one. Oh boy. This is why I never married. Well, this and one other reason. I hope not. Her meatballs can kill more beasts than a battle axe. I still have a few more kicking around in here. Oh, I love this one. Great! I'll do the cooking. Okay, change of plan.